Welcome down to Chessington World of Adventures. As whilst I was away on holiday, Kurt, supports arrived for Minecraft. So the supports not only have arrived, actually we've been out to the car park already and we can't bring you anything from there. We did miss them coming in because they are already being installed and are on site. As you know, views from inside the park are very difficult, but we are going to give you some views of Minecraft. And then we're going to take you around the park and give you some other updates from around the park as well. There is some, including Blue Barnacle, is finally open.
Yeah.
It's finally open. No Paw Patrol on this one. We know now the opening date for Paw Patrol is the 3rd of May. We thought it'd be the 2nd. I'll tell you what, we were only a day out all that time ago when we first said it. We're only a day out. But let's start with Minecraft. That's what you want to see. Intamin supports have arrived here at Chessington World of Adventures. Welcome to Minecraft World, and yes, we will try and get you as many shots as we can of the project from different angles. So some shots may be better than others, but we want to show you everything that's going on. You will see supports in the background there, some of which have been installed. Now, it is worth noting that these were delivered during the week, and people did catch some of them arriving. However, more have arrived and they've been taken straight back on site. You can see they're all numbered as per supports we've seen from construction in the past, and we will take a view of the site from various different angles to kind of show you what's going on. Now, it's quite easy to see some of the ones that have been installed because obviously they'll be black face up in the ground ready for track to attach, where these ones that are white right in the background there, and we'll get another view very shortly here, are just being stored at the back of the site. There are some we can see from Rise Like Dragon's Fury that haven't been installed yet and we can't really get a good shot of, but it will change over the course of the next few months. Here is one that's been installed at the back, quite a tall one as well given, but this is what people are looking at, and this for me is likely to be the launch out of the building. Starting quite low, a very gradual incline upwards. We think this will be the launch, as you've got some much bigger supports down the back. I don't think they're all here by any stretch of the imagination, even ones that you can't see on here, but there are a lot of supports on site, and it won't be too long until we see track, which is really exciting. But yeah, we believe this will be the launch out of the ride around to the turnaround point, of course, which is the only outdoor section of the ride. But Minecraft World is coming together fairly quickly. I still think there's an awful lot to do as we look at the portal into the ride, and then of course over to the site on what will be the roller coaster, the first thing you'll see when you walk into the world, and various shops and buildings too. Here we are at Elmer's Flying Jumbos. Of course, it's undergoing its refurbishment. It will be back probably early summer, we think, and they have done some more work to it with the pneumatic hydraulic bits now all being installed. You can see that it's all sort of getting ready to go back together. Not long. It's the only ride that's currently closed here at Chessington, and they did announce it was going to be closed. It'll be back very soon. They are, of course, making improvements to the Rattlesnake area. Many have heard the audio. We've now got some new refresh boards around here, and Rattlesnake, for the first time I can remember in a long time, has new boards. As we can see on here, with the ride rules, restrictions, and kind of a new logo as well. When I say kind of a new logo, it's a complete new logo. Now, we believe these will be all around the ride, so we'll go inside now and show you all the little ones which they have replaced. There is all new signage around the queue line as well. So all these have been refreshed over the close time this week. Anything that you sort of see as they bring a Rattlesnake firmly into Forbidden Kingdom. Oh, they must have had some school groups here, Jesus Christ. That's been mullered. I wonder where they've got him from. That must have come from somewhere, mustn't it? But that's new. Yeah, slowly bringing it into the Forbidden Kingdom world. So it does say that it's a janky ride. Well, jerky ride, isn't it? It's jerky ride. Which it is. Well, that's what it's designed to do, people. That's what it's designed to do. Coming out of Rattlesnake, and sort of finally this one has also been changed. It's still a little bit Mexicanery, to be honest, but we do kind of have sand now, and it is matching over there, which is really good to see. So yeah, all new signage gone up while the park is closed. It's currently closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and they seem to be doing quite a lot of work, to be fair, whilst it's closed, which is great to see. Little touches that not everyone notices. The Wildwood entrance is back open. And there are speakers.
Jason.
Whoa, Jesus.
You see that outfit?
Now, effectively, he's having a conversation.
Proof.
They're having conversations. It's like... Okay, well this one's having a conversation. These are nice touches. This reminds me of Towers. Yeah. It reminds me of the gargoyles at Towers as well, which make a sound as they come out. So you've got one either side, and I'm guessing that one's called Jason. I'm actually not sure what this one's called, but they're having a conversation with each other. It's just this one's not computing at the moment. But it's these little touches that are very often missed. Now this pathway has been closed for the whole of winter, obviously while they've been doing winter works, while Vampire was closed, and indeed while they've been doing Blue Barnacle as well. But now Blue Barnacle's back open, you can use this shortcut again of Vampire, and don't miss the little details on here. And actually, these could be used really, really cleverly for Halloween as well, as this is one of the Halloween walkthroughs. Yes, the smoke is back on for Mandrill Mayhem as we turn around here, Kurt, and have a look. Yes, Blue Barnacle is open for the 2026 season with its new queue line. We'll go up and have a look in a minute. We have showed you it's gone. You'll then come around here and down to there. If you are ride access, you'll go in here. And fast track? I don't know where fast track go.
Round this way. There was an arrow up there, so then come
back to us. Okay, fast track is also here too. Now, actually, from a distance from here, it doesn't look too bad in terms of the old queue line. You can't really see a lot of it. Obviously, if you are standing at the top, you can see quite a lot of the old queue line. So I hope they just sort of tidy that up a little bit, to be honest with you, and just finish tidying it. But actually, the rock background, which you see as you walk around, still looks really good, and the waterfall's on as well. And the new queue line really does suit and gives you a really unique view of the ride, which you didn't have before. Which is great news, to be fair. Now as we go around, we'll show you what they've done with the other one. But yeah, when you look across, actually, it looks really good. Just got to tidy up the old queue. They could probably take out some of the woodwork now, a bit more landscaping, but it's back open. The water has only just been turned back on, so people are saying it's murky from what we have seen. It's only been on a day. It will take time to clear through, and generally this is really good water as well. It's really quite clear. As we come round to the old entrance, again, if you take away these kind of things, people won't be looking for it, but they have left the gate here and the old entrance. So it just needs this tidying up, removed. Obviously they've got cables to take out for where they had the electrics here. But yeah, from that side looks really good, and actually, I quite like that queue. And I think the location of it, we'll go around now and show you that, is going to be more popular. We are kind of off a beaten track here now, because you walk down there for the restaurant, but you wouldn't necessarily walk down there for a ride, whereas you are going to walk down here to go to Dragon's Fury, which you can obviously see there, World of Jumanji on the left hand side as well. So it does make perfect sense that it's here. I think they've done a good job with the queue. And when we come round to the board, actually the trees have worked quite nicely as well. I even thought they'd actually planted new trees, but these are the ones already here, and they kind of fit in really well with the entrance. And there we go, it's all open, there's no fences here anymore, and there's the queue line with ride access pass and fast track to the side. It's great news, food fans, as the deals have finally arrived at Chessington World of Adventures. So 15 donuts at a price of £5, hot drink and donut for £5, small hot dog for £6.75, and the buffet £10 for kids, £16.75 for adults after 2 PM. Just there. 4 annual pass holders, finally, they're here. There it is, Chessington World of Adventures. So whilst a couple of projects come to an end in Paw Patrol, which opens very, very shortly, and of course the Blue Barnacle as well, more projects are ongoing in the world of Minecraft, or Minecraft World, but we think it should be called World of Minecraft. We were just discussing that, but Minecraft World. And we finally see an Intamin coaster come to Chessington World of Adventures, long after one was supposed to come, of course. You remember about that? Then yeah, you know. We're going to be following it throughout the year. Views are difficult, we appreciate that, but we have seen it go vertical. The Intamin coaster is being built here for Minecraft World, and we can't wait.